Hi, this is Lisa from SCYAP Art Center, and welcome back to another video. Spring has sprung, so let's learn how to make tissue paper flowers in two ways. For supplies, you'll need tissue paper, pipe cleaners, scissors, and small beads. To begin, cut your pipe cleaner in half. Then thread on a small bead near the top. Then tuck in the excess pipe cleaner under the bead to hold it in place. This will be the center of the flower. To make the petals, cut tissue paper into squares. An easy way to cut multiple squares at a time is to layer multiple sheets of tissue paper and cut them down to size. Next, with a stack of 6 to 8 pieces of tissue paper, fold it in half, and then in half again, and then in half once more. You should end up with a triangle shape. Here I drew an example of a petal shape where we will end up cutting. Cut the petal shape with scissors and make sure you are leaving the bottom point and sides intact. Once cut, you can unfold the tissue paper and you will be left with multiple flower shapes. Poke the bottom part of the pipe cleaner into the middles of the paper and thread it up towards the bead. Continue doing this with all your petals. You can alternate and lightly push the petals against the bead to give it more volume. You can repeat cutting more tissue paper in different colors and shapes. Here I am using the same folding technique and giving the petals a round shape instead of a pointy shape. For the second technique, start by layering 6 to 8 sheets of tissue paper. Make sure they are longer rectangles instead of squares. Then accordion fold them back and forth until you reach the end. Next, twist the pipe cleaner around the tissue paper. Once secure, Carefully pull a single sheet of tissue paper towards the middle. Do this to both sides. Continue doing this until all the tissue paper have been separated. This gives you more of a rose or carnation look. Once you have learned both techniques, you can experiment with layering different colors or adding different textures. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more fun art videos. As always, the written tutorial will be linked in the description box below. If you would like to share your art, tag us on Facebook or Instagram at SCYAP Inc. See you in the next video and happy spring! Also, here are some wonderful flowers made at our art drop-in.